Hey there, thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. I'm very pleased to be able to welcome those of you who have been with us for a long time now, as well as those who are new to the wide arts. Before we get started, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all of you who have generously helped us to make this channel come together to become a success. I couldn't have done this without you. Thank you guys. In today's video, we would focus on how to draw a minimalist vector avatar with a mouse. So without any further delay, let's get going. So before getting started to real drawing, I will have to do a confession. Drawing with a mouse can be a little time consuming, as well as you don't have a pressure sensitivity there, and in addition to that, you don't have a free hand to draw anything you want. So I highly recommend you a tablet if you can afford that. But a minimalist design just like today, we don't have any need of tablet, so it will be absolutely free of tablet. There would be no use of tablet in this artwork. And today I will be sharing with you a very good brush that can be used without the use of tablet. It would be a tablet free brush, and you can be getting a lot of easier things with this brush. So I will be sharing with you a pro tip today for making a perfect brush that can work without a tablet. So let's get started to real drawing. For making a brush, go to ellipse tool and then draw a line with ellipse tool. The goal here is to make middle part of the brush thicker and the outer parts of the brush thinner, so that we can have a feel of pressure sensitivity without using a tablet. So this would be a perfect brush if you are not using a tablet, and if you are just working without a tablet, then this brush will be a very good choice. Keep the photo as a reference on the bottom layer, and on the upper layer you can draw your artwork. You have to draw the lines on the above layer. Keep in mind you have to log the layer that a photo you have just taken for a reference. You have to log that layer, and the line layer you don't have to log it. You have to keep it unlocked so that you can be able to draw the lines. At this stage I'm just using pencil tool and a brush that we made. Okay, so once our line work is completed, I'm going to go to the next step. We have to cut the extra lines that we had made. So for cutting the extra lines, I use expand appearance and pathfinder future, so I'm just using that future to cut out the extra lines. If you can use something else, that would be wonderful, but if you can stick to this thing, then you are welcome. I'm just showing you how to do that. Select each and everything on the layer and go to object, expand appearance, and then go to pathfinder. In pathfinder, select divide. After clicking divide, you have to select direct selection tool first, and then to come back to our artwork, and then select each and every line that is extra and press delete key to delete all the lines that you have made. You can delete all the lines one by one. Just click that line with direct selection tool and then press delete key to delete the line. After everything extra is deleted, I'm going to go to next step, and that is to make everything merged. For merging, just select each and everything this time and go to Pathfinder and select merge future there. After merging everything, you have to make a duplicate layer of the same layer that we have drawn. It's time to fill up the color. For filling up the color, select rectangle tool and make a rectangle. Select a color that matches skin. You can take eyedropper tool and take the exact sample of the skin so that you have a proper idea of what kind of skin color you are going to select. Press I on your keyboard and eyedropper tool will be selected. You can select any color on the reference photo to fill up the color in the artwork. Or there is another choice, you can fill up the color of your choice by selecting a color from color panel. After you have chosen the color, select rectangle and right click and then select arrange and then send to back. In this way, rectangle will be behind the lines that we have created. Now select each and everything and go to object menu and then choose expand from there. And then go to Pathfinder and click merge there. Right click on the rectangle and then choose isolate selected group. Select direct selection tool again and click outside the line work in the rectangle and press delete key to delete the extra color that we have made. Now you can color anything. Just select a certain color with direct selection tool and then you can fill up color of your own choice. Currently I'm just making teeth with pencil tool. I just filled up gradient in teeth, brighter part in the middle and sides will be a little blackish. And then there is the last part, that is to do shading. Shading layer must be between the color layer and the line layer. On the shading layer, you have to choose a darker color and draw the shadows with pencil tool, taking reference as the main picture. And then you can draw a highlights layer that can be placed above everything. For highlights, you can choose a color that is brighter than the skin, or you can do one thing. You can take full white color and then lessen down the opacity to match the skin. And then for hair, I will make a gradient. White will be in the middle and the color of hair on the sides, and then blend with the brush. So this was it for today's video. I'll be seeing you with my latest content next time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and also ring that bell icon so that you don't miss a single update from us. Moreover, you can join us on Instagram or Facebook. Thank you for your time. I will be seeing you in my next videos. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.